Hello everyone, this is our assigned topic together with Rilinmi Iyara. Working in Italy. Italy's unique continuity of civilization in Europe. Importance of Italy's history and culture for understanding work and life today. Italy stands out in Europe for its continuous civilization, unlike many countries that face long periods of decline. This continuity has shaped Italy's culture and work environment. Learning about Italy's past helps us understand how Italians think, work, and live today. The next is Italy's historical background. Civilization continuity since Ice Age. Mediterranean culture shaped by invasions, Arabs, Spanish, French, Germans. Italians known for survival skills and cultural flexibility. Italy's Mediterranean location made it a crossroads of many civilizations. It was invaded several times by Arabs, Spanish, French, and Germans. These invasions forced Italians to adapt, learn from others, and develop strong survival skills. This history explains their flexibility and creativity. And then next is Italy's cultural legacy. Birthplace of Renaissance and Humanism, famous figures Dante, Leonardo da Vinci, Michelangelo, Machiavelli, Galileo, Italy as a cultural and scientific leader. Italy is the birthplace of the Renaissance and Humanism, a cultural movement that emphasized the value of individuals and learning. Great minds like Leonardo da Vinci and Michelangelo changed art forever. While Galileo advanced science, Dante's literary masterpiece, The Divine Comedy, remains influential. And the next is Italy's religious and linguistic heritage. 98% Roman Catholic, major exporter of Catholicism, Roman Empire's legacy, and Latin language influence, regional languages and eventual dominance of Latin. Nearly 98% of Italians are Roman Catholic, and Italy has been a major exporter of Catholicism worldwide. The Roman Empire's legacy, especially Latin, profoundly influenced many modern languages. Latin evolved into Italian, Spanish, French, and more, showing Italy's linguistic impact. And the next is economic and industrial landscape. Regional specialties and industries. Small, flexible enterprises dominate exports, textiles, apparel, jewelry. Each Italian region specializes in different industries. For example, two small regions produce half the world's jewelry exports. Italy is famous for small, family-run businesses, mom and pop shop that dominate exports in textiles, apparel, and footwear. And the next is the ancient civilization and Rome's foundation. Early Greek maritime traders and Magna Graecia. Myths of Rome's founding, Annus and Romulus and Remus. Rise of Roman Republic and Senatus Populusque Romanus or SPQR. Before Rome, Greeks and Etruscan influenced Italy. Rome's foundation is surrounded by myths like Romulus and Remus. Twins raised by a she-wolf, Rome's republic introduced the idea that people hold sovereign power, symbolized by SPQR, the Senate and people of Rome. And the next is Roman Empire highlight. Punic Wars and Rome's naval power. Julius Caesar, Mark Antony, Octavian, Augustus, Pax Romana, 45 years of peace and prosperity. Architectural achievements, Pantheon Castel Sant'Angelo. The Punic Wars turned Rome into a naval power. Key figures like Julius Caesar and Augustus shaped Rome's future. Augustus brought the Pax Romana, a long period of peace and prosperity. He also transformed Rome architecturally, commissioning buildings like the Pantheon. And the next is medieval Italy and the Papal State. Frankish invasion and Pepin's donation, or 756 AD or Anno Domini, foundation of Papal states and church-state struggles, Holy Roman Empire's rule and crowning of Charlemagne. In the Middle Ages, the Franks invaded Italy. Pepin's donation gave land to the Pope, founding in the Papal State. Charlemagne was crowned emperor by the Pope in 800 AD, marking the start of the Holy Roman Empire. This began centuries of tension between church and state. And the next is regionalism and modern Italian culture. North versus South, cultural and economic differences, regional stereotypes and social tensions, Italian greetings and social etiquette in business. Regionalism is strong in Italy. Northerners often view Southerners as less industrious, while Southerners see Northerners as cold. Social etiquette is important. Greetings change depending on time of day, and ciao is informal reverse for friends. In conclusion, Italy's rich history and culture deeply influence its modern work environment. Respect for family, tradition, and regional differences is key to success. Embracing Italy's unique blend of heritage and innovation will help anyone thrive working there. That's all. Thank you.